Good day, guys. Welcome back. So let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our EURJPY. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, you want to click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. I will put the link to the Telegram in the comment section so do not miss out on any single update. Click on that subscribe button. So let's see what we'll be expecting on our EURJPY. So we can clearly see that we are in an auction move on our EURJPY. So EURJPY is clearly bullish move to the upside. So this is our high. Here is our higher low. This is also the higher high. Here is our higher low. This is our higher high. Here is the higher low. This is the higher low. Here as it's now our higher high because that market has given us that bullish move, thereby taking out this previous high. So anytime soon, we will start having markets give us a pullback, which will be forming an higher low. So I do not see it playing out anytime soon, right? But have it in mind that there's a possibility that it will start, or maybe in a month or 2 months' time, the higher low will most likely start playing out. But for now, we would want to take a look at the 1 hour time, see what market is doing, and we can see on our 1 hour market is ranging within this level. So we had this market pullback, they rejected from this level, right? Level 1 here, market pullback again to the same level, rejected. This is our this is now our support level. So for day traders, you'll be expecting market to come back to test this level again. So expect market to drop again, then you can now start looking for your buy. So personally, I would not advise you to take your buy here. Instead, I would advise you to wait for your pullback to your support level for market to tap the support level. So once market taps the support level, then you can now start anticipating for the buy. So market should now give us the buy to come back to this resistance level. So wait for market to give you the pullback till it comes to tap your support level. Then you can now go ahead and take your buy on EURJPY. So still a bullish move is what you're anticipating on EURJPY. First, we would expect it to